Let's learn sight words. Are you ready? Here we go. T-H-E, T-H-E. The or the. The or the. I see the car. I see the car. Ha. I see the tree. I see the tree. The specific thing. C-O-M-E, come, come, come. C-O-M-E, come, come, come. Come here, please. Come here, please. Come quickly, please. Come quickly, please. S-O-M-E, some, some. S-O-M-E, some. I want some water. I want some water. I want some water. This tire needs some air. This tire needs some air. Up, U-P, up, up. I can't say stand up, stand up. I get up, get up. I get up early every day. I get up early every day. M-O-R-E, more, more. I need more milk. I need more milk. I need more milk. I want more, please. More, more. But, I'm hungry. I'm hungry, but I have nothing to eat. I have nothing to eat. I want to buy a car. I want to buy a car, but I don't have money. I don't have money. W-H-A-T, what? W-H-A-T, what? What do you see? What do you have? What do you have? It's an easy one. Can. I can hop. I can hop. I can run. I can run. Great. L-I-V-E, live. For example, I live in Egypt. I live with my family. I live with my family. O-N, on. O-N, on. The girl is on the chair. The girl is on the chair. Okay. The cat is on the chair. The cat is on the chair. On. L-I-K-E, like. I like jam. I like pizza. Repeat after me. I like pizza. Great job. And we watch Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry. It's nice and cool. It's nice and cool. Can you please repeat after me? Yes, it's nice and cool bag. Great. What about this? C. I see a monkey. I see a bee. I see a board. That's it for our sight words today. Study them well and wait for the next video. Goodbye.